famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought I'd get you?
How you like that one?
I like that one a lot.
You like that one?
That smell real good.
Smell better down there. Alright, y'all. So we are in Ponce City Market. This is our first time. Of course, the first stop was Sephora, and we just made it, and we are already still in the court. So y'all want to go to Glossier next?
Where's it at? I haven't seen it.
I was trying to tell yeah, because Melanie has never smelled it, and once she smells it, that's gonna be the only thing you want to wear year round. It smells so good. But y'all, it's so many people out here, and it's really nice out here too, y'all. So yeah.
Well, why should they have to buy your makeup?
I would. This bottle was 36. Yeah.
Oh, you get a basket. They got a.
Ooh, this smells good too. Ooh. You did. And this will match the color in my room.
You know a basket.
Oh, this one is 3 weeks. If you're saying the ones you currently have, they're not good, then I would.
If this ain't good, I'm gonna bring it back.
You're gonna like it. You go to her house and you like it.
Oh, this the one you had. No, that's fine. I don't like it.
I like this one, and then it's sexy.
Oh, I need something gold.
The ball you've been looking for?
It's $12. Everybody gonna be eating out of the beef.
Oh, hey. Y'all cannot come to Atlanta and not get a piece of cake. Yeah. I want to try that one. That's the one she can like. But I think she just want to try the strawberry. Yeah.
Can you get this from before?
I like the hill shake. That's fine. It's fine, girl.
I thought I got to take that because I didn't get mine.
Alright, y'all, so this is my very first time in IKEA, and it's giving everything I thought it would give. I'm looking at this. You said 35. That's cute. I like those. Y'all, there's so much stuff in this store. So many people in here. It's a little overwhelming. Have you found anything? No, ma'am. But I have enjoyed my time here. My very first time at IKEA. I definitely will be back. I saw a vase that I really like. So I'm just trying to find it. Oh no, I keep seeing them. So that means it has to go home with me. So I'm looking for it. And I can't find it. It has like a lot of cute, unique items in here too, y'all. That I really like. And everything is like reasonable price. I need a vase like this.
It's pretty.
Y'all see this vase?
It's real pretty.
I just need a tall, like long vase like this. But you can't find stuff nowhere. So, you guys, isn't this cute? I have been thinking about starting to store my food in glass containers as opposed to, yeah, that's what I heard. Instead of like the plastic ones. But this is so freaking cute. Well, no, the jar is $2. You sound like Brandon, and the this is $4. So,
No, it's cheap.
don't make it. So I am in Target picking up some of the things that I need, and I really want to try this Olay vitamin C hydrating moisturizer. But I'm trying to see if I should get the 2 times for $34.99. This one right here. Or if I should get, which vitamin C y'all think I should get? Should I?
In the Ella.
Yeah,
You go by the Ella.
Oh, so I'm gonna buy that one.
She said, well, you gonna buy.
Alright, so.
I'm gonna give you some wine. Ooh, a foot pill. You need that. You need a foot pill.
Why I need a foot pill? I'm gonna get these too, y'all. I be having bags up on my eyes.
Me too. I don't need them. Me too. My bags be bad. My eyes be all pretty. Should I look for humidifiers?
I'll get some of these right here. I need some more cheese. Oh, this is basic. Your girl was never basic. Oh yeah, we gotta get razors too. Right here.
Oh,
They're fully soft.
you know what I'm thinking about.
The body shimmer that Shuki was looking for. Yeah, I got mine right there. Yeah. This right here for my purse. So that one right there for my purse. Now we need to go over here to where the razors are. Oh yeah, I need to get some more the jelly stuff. I don't have any more and I don't see it. I may have to go to the body oil. No, not yet. What? Lord, you don't know. I see those. Thank you. No. So, y'all, I have really been enjoying using my Cremo stuff, but for some reason, I just don't have the time to do it anymore. So, I been shaving a lot. Let's just see how. Liv, which one did you pick up? This yours? This it was one that the only time you use these beanies. They said they had one for your bikini line. I was looking for that one. I'm gonna get these. I like these. Have you used this before, Melanie? It's a pre-clean shower butter. You put it on while you're in the shower. Then use your soap. Then use everything else. I don't know. So this is the fresh almond and mango. I've never tried this one. I don't really like that one. This one smells okay. It's not the one I really want though. I really like the blue one. You like this one? I will. It does smell good. It smells pretty. You use this one. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. I'm gonna get this. Do a high one. Alright y'all, so I just made it in from my sister's like outing or whatever. And this definitely won't let me be great, but I wanted to share with you guys everything that I picked up today. Of course we stopped by Target and I had to kind of re-up on this Moisture Boost Dove Body Love pre-cleanse shower butter. Y'all, I love this. If you have not tried it, I highly suggest you try it. And then my sister-in-law told me about the Dove pomegranate that smells really good, and that is a body polish. I also got a cocoa shimmer body stick, as well as just, I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the car, either in my purse, but it's like a Rosy Lips Vaseline lip therapy. I had got a couple of sheet masks. This is the vitamin C sheet mask. I also got a few eye masks, and this one right here comes 3 to a pack, because sometimes I be having like a little tiredness look up under my eyes. I also got this Chill Out Calming Aloe Vera mask, and it feels really gooey, so I can't wait to try this out. I picked up some more cotton rounds, as well as the Vaseline. You know, this is my ride or die. But this right here looks smaller than the Equate brand, so I'm gonna see. But I was out and I have not been able to find it anywhere, so I went ahead and picked that up. I got a few razors. Yes, I still use my Cremos, but I use a razor whenever I'm in a rush. I need to kind of get my shaving done out the way. Hey, babe. So, y'all, if you in the Atlanta area and you have never been to a piece of cake, you don't know what you're missing out on. Y'all, this cake right here is the best cake. It's the best $6 you can spend. Y'all see this? It is so good. Babe, he over there waiting for me to get here. It's 11:30 at night, and he waited on his slice of cake. He got, what you got, strawberry this time? It's good? Y'all, it is so good. So that's all that I got from Target. So we also stopped by Anthropology. That was my first time going in there, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, there's not a store that I will shop at all the time, I don't think, because they are a little pricey, but you can tell the stuff is like great quality. So I'm currently working on our bedroom, and the color scheme that I'm going for is black, gold, beige, with like black, gold, beige, and brown, those colors. So they had this cute candle in there. It smells really good. Like, it smells really, really good. Cut my head off. So I just went ahead and I picked up this candle. So I'm going to be placing this in maybe our sitting area. So yeah, so that was one of the items that I picked up. And I don't have a Sephora where I live at. So of course I took advantage. You gone, babe? So of course I took advantage of going in Sephora while I was up there as well. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you like this. Don't go to Sephora with your sisters, because when you go in there with them, you get in trouble. So y'all know how I feel about my showers and cleansers and things like that. So I picked up the Fenty Cocoa Cleanser Bar. It smells really good, and I'm really excited to use it. Y'all, we walked so much when we was at Ponce City Market. So I most definitely, I think I may use this tonight. So it says working to a lather on wet skin, rinse for external use only. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I can't wait to give this a try. And I also got this You to the People Superfood Cleanser. So I'm excited about that. I just wanted to try it out, so I got the smaller size. I kind of have to be careful what I use on my skin because it's so sensitive and it's really acne prone. And I also got this Coco Cabana cream. It's the blue one. If you've never smelled it, y'all, it smells really good. I think this is a newer scent that came out around the summertime. So I just wanted to go ahead and pick up this little small size right here. And for my brows, I got the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetic. I went ahead and I picked this up because I hate I missed it, because it was a part of the 21 Days of Beauty Ultra sale. But I just went ahead and got it, and I got the color Warm Black Brown. And I also got a NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. If you're doing your brows, you need this combo. This NARS concealer and this pencil give you the best looking brows ever, y'all. Like, they be so precise and they look so good. And I also picked up the Tatcha Dewy skin cream, you guys. This stuff right here works so good. So I can't wait to get that done. And I tried that this summer. That was like my free gift, one of my free gifts that I chose to get from Sephora this summer, you guys. And yeah, I can't wait. I also went by IKEA, y'all. I have never went to IKEA, and I ain't gonna lie, that's a trip that I would probably take 1 or maybe 2 times a year, because I didn't know that store was that big. And by the time we were done walking, I was tired. So I had got some of these little rubber gloves because I don't have any. I picked up some rubber gloves. Leah thinks that she's gonna make some homemade popsicles, so she picked up these right here. And I am going to plan a brunch. I don't know if I'm gonna have it in October or November, but I am planning to, at the brunch, I do plan to have a mimosa bar. So I picked up 3 of these because I'm gonna put either like water or juice in these. I thought it was really cute, so I just wanted to go ahead and grab them. So I got 3 of these, and I want to say they were like $5.99 or either $6.99 for each one. So I'm really excited about that. I didn't go crazy on IKEA. Of course, they had some really nice things, but I didn't need to go crazy in this store. So yeah. And last but not least, I got this really pretty vase. This vase is so pretty, and I think I'm going to use it on my counter for this fall. Put some really pretty like florals or something like that in here. So yeah, I got this really pretty vase. I can't wait to use it. So yeah, so today, you guys, was much needed. It was so fun, and I'm glad that I just went ahead and decided to go with my sisters when they asked me to go. But like I said, it is 11:35 and I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like, summer is officially over. Like, it is cold outside, and I live in Georgia. So yeah, I'm going to probably add in like the last 2 events that I did for the summer, because like I said, summer is officially over. It's still some warm days, but it's over. Like, it's ready for fall. I'm ready for fall, ready to start shopping for fall and get my clothes together. But yeah, but I'm gonna stop talking because this clip is like 7 minutes long, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.